Hi, I am Shahid Ahmed, and in this video I am going to tell you about the power of negotiation skills. Negotiation is a part and parcel of our lives and everyone interacts with it. Whether you are an employer or employee, a salesman or a customer, working in retail or in a corporate culture, whatever you are does not matter at all. But in this time of lethal and stiff competition, please mark my words, in this time of lethal and stiff competition, effective and purposeful negotiations matter. Why? Because negotiation in business and jobs has become one of the most important skills and abilities which takes place between two parties for reaching an agreement. And please remember, an effective negotiator is that who creates value for the other party as well as claims value for its own self, which successfully drive them towards meaningful give and take. And one of your main jobs in life which leads to increasing levels of self-confidence is to become more effective in influencing others by learning great negotiation skills. And the great and best negotiators are invariably pleasant people. They are warm, friendly, likable, and agreeable. They are the kind of people that you feel comfortable while dealing with, and you have an almost automatic tendency to trust someone with great negotiation skills. Dear viewers, you will be astonished to know that negotiation skills are learnable. Yes, it's learnable, which I'm going to reveal in front of you right now. And I urge that you must learn these top 3 skills in order to get best deals for yourself, for your company, to feel happy and satisfied about the results. But provided if you want to grow, if you want to flourish in your professional and practical lives. So let's talk about these top 3 skills in order to get the best of it. Number 1. Selection of good questions to ask. See, good negotiators ask a lot of questions and are very concerned about understanding exactly what it is you are trying to achieve from the negotiation. For example, in buying a house, there are 2 parties, and both parties might start off arguing and disagreeing over the price, and they begin with the position and concept that the price is the most important thing in a sale. That is all that has to be negotiated, that's it. But by seeing a scenario, it's not like this. Please remember, only a skilled negotiator will realize that price is only one part of the package, and by using good negotiation skills, this negotiator will help both parties to see that the terms of the sale are also important, as are the furniture, fixtures, and some other belongings of the house that might be included in the transaction. So, finding good questions to ask about a customer's needs is the only way you will be able to find out in a negotiation what exactly is important to your customers and what benefits they are truly looking for. So please be mindful that price is not always the most important thing in a sale, whereas it is also important that your customers know what other benefits they are receiving. Patience. Good negotiators are very patient. They concentrate first on getting agreement on all the parts of the contract that both parties have in common before they go on seeking for amicable ways to settle their issues. Plus, they also take the time to prepare good questions to ask to get clarity and understanding on each point as they go along, so that there is no confusion later. Skill number 3, preparation. Studies have shown that 90% of negotiation success lies on your preparation. The more and better prepared you are prior to your negotiation, the more likely it is that the outcome of the negotiation will be satisfactory and acceptable for all parties involved. Preparation requires you to do two things. First, get all the information that you can have prior to your negotiation. Second, think the negotiation through carefully from beginning to end and be fully prepared for any eventuality. So, the first kind of information you need is about the product or service and the person with whom you will be negotiating. And you obtain this information by choosing good questions to ask that are well thought out. In this sense, information becomes a form of power, and power is always on the side of that person who is having best information and knowledge. Thank you for watching and take care.